नमस्कार दोस्तों, जय हिंद। आज जो बताने वाला हूँ, वो आपका माइंडसेट चेंज कर देगा। आज मैं आपको वो बताने वाला हूँ, जो मार्केटिंग गुरुज़ नहीं बताते। लिंक्डइन इंटरेस्ट सिग्नल्स इज़ यूज़लेस अनलेस यू कन्वर्ट इट। प्रोफाइल व्यूज़, क्लिक्स एंड विजिट्स आर बाइंग सिग्नल्स इफ you act fast. Capture intent, qualify leads, trigger smart outreach, and follow up across LinkedIn and email. When timing, relevance, and human messaging align, interest turns into real conversations and a pipeline. Your buyers are already giving signals. Are you noticing them? Step 1 to smarter LinkedIn selling is spotting buying signals. Watch who likes or comments on your posts, follows your company page, or registers for your events. These actions show real intent. Focus on these warm leads before reaching out. Turn LinkedIn activity into instant leads. Step 2 is capturing those signals inside LGM. Simply copy the LinkedIn post, page, or event URL and paste it into LA Growth Machine. In seconds, LGM pulls every engaged profile, comments, follows, likes, and attendees ready for outreach. Email first while interest is still hot. Step 3 is starting with email inside LGM. Reach out while intent is fresh by sending the requested resource, adding light context, and offering extra value if needed. This warm, helpful first email builds trust and sets the stage for smoother follow ups. Remind them without sounding salesy. Step 4 is reinforcing on LinkedIn. Use the same message as your email and send it through LGM's LinkedIn Actions. It feels natural, like a human reminder, not a pitch. This gentle nudge keeps your brand top of mind and boosts reply rates. One message doesn't fit every lead. Step 5 is adapting based on the relationship. Use LGM custom attributes to change your approach. Send personal, familiar copy to known contacts and keep messaging neutral for new leads. This smart personalization makes outreach feel relevant and boosts replies. Conversations close deals, not pitches. Step 6 is keeping it conversational. Focus on short LinkedIn follow ups, context aware messages, and avoid aggressive CTAs. The goal is engagement, not a demo. When messages feel human and relaxed, prospects reply more and real conversations begin. Close with value, not pressure. Step 7 is closing the loop the right way. Ask if the resource actually helped, share extra free content if relevant, and gently invite a reply. No push, no pressure, just usefulness. This keeps the conversation open and builds long term trust because intent always beats volume. This works in LGM because intent based outreach focuses on the right people at the right time. Smaller, well segmented audiences, built in timing, and human sounding copy replace cold blasts. The result is higher engagement, better replies, and real conversations. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी वैल्यू मिला तो फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए।